Welcome back, guys. We've got the resident foreman here, quality control expert Scooby. Scooby, what do you think? We're doing a good job here? Look at that tail wagging. No, the tail wagging means.
That's our fan.
She approves. She approves of the job we're just about to do here. So what we're doing, we've got this ready, prepped, and we are ready to put some colour onto it. VW colour Golf Blue, which is what came on this 1960 single cab ute. Not Dove Blue, which is what we thought it was, but it's actually Golf Blue. So I don't know whether that's an Australian colour or not, but it is a VW colour. Anyway, we're ready to paint. I just thought we'd do a quick little intro to the video. As you can see in here, we're all cleaned up. And we're keeping it on its side just because it's easy to paint, being on a rotisserie. So we'll flip it back the other way, but we're going to do most of it as it is. You can see we've taped up all the A surfaces that we want to keep with the original paint. And we're just really going to just hit the bottom. We're not doing the cab yet, we'll do the cab last. But we'll just get the bottom done and inside the treasure chest area and go from there. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we go, all painted up. So she's a little bit smelly. We probably shouldn't stay in here too long because it's yucky stuff. But we did have our respirators on. But Chip, she's all done. A lot of tricky painting with these splitties underneath, especially. They just, you know, there's so many nooks and crannies and all sorts of things to get them right. They're quite difficult to get all the angles and not miss anything, but I think we've done pretty well. Anyway, we're going to let this cure over the next few days, and we can start looking at, still got the cab to paint, which we'll get that on next, but we just wanted to get the underneath and inside done, and then we can start getting a plan together of reassembling all the goodies. So I think that's going to be it for today, and we're going to call it quits. Paul's got to go back to the oven.
Oh, I just got out.
He just got out. You have to get back in there now. All right, guys. Well, until the next episode, stay tuned and stay funky. Phew!